E ora si mangia!
Today we are making fried calamari. The first thing we need to do for this recipe is to get the sunflower oil, and what we do is we put it in a stainless steel pan, if you can. It should be 190 Celsius. And now we're gonna cut our calamari. You can cut it into rings, and then we cut the calamari into strips. And what I like to do to my calamari, I like to marinate them in lemon. Put a little bit more parsley if you want. What we want to do is we want to put it in the flour to fry them. What we need to do is we need to get them and we need to get rid of the excess. And now it's time to put the calamari in the sunflower oil. It will take about 1.5 minutes the most. I can tell how crunchy they are, just the way I like them. And we just put the lemon juice on top of this beautiful calamari fritti. Oh yeah.